pineapple is native to South America, but colonization spread it to other tropical areas. The Latin name for pineapple is anana, which comes from nana, what the natives called the plant. The English word pineapple came from the European explorers who thought that this strange but delicious fruit looked like a giant pine cone. Pineapples need temperatures between 23 and 30 degrees Celsius and full sun. It takes 7 months for the pineapple plant to produce a bunch of little reddish-purple flowers. At this first bloom, farmers spray the plant with ethylene, a natural gas that stimulates full flowering. As that happens, the stem of the flower bunch gradually thickens and becomes bulbous. This is the pineapple. 5 months after first bloom, a year since the last harvest, a fresh crop of pineapples is ripe for the picking. But not before the farm has tested samples to make sure the sweetness level is just right. This is prickly business, so the workers have to wear gloves, long sleeves, safety glasses, and rubber boots. The pineapples travel from the field to the factory upside down. That way, the crown of leaves bears the weight of the fruit during the bumpy ride. Upon arrival at the factory, the pineapples go through a 10-step cleaning in chlorinated water. This washes away insects and frog eggs. Frogs like to lay their eggs in pineapple crowns. A final rinse with clean water removes any chlorine residue. Now workers classify the pineapples and cut off misshapen crowns. A first-class pineapple has a straight crown and no more than 3 damaged eyes, those diamond shapes on the peel. If a pineapple passes the first-class test, it's fit for export. Second class sells on the domestic market. Third becomes dried fruit, and fourth, juice. At the drying plant for third-class pineapples, workers first chop off the crown and then about 5 centimeters from the bottom end. With a coring machine, they remove the pineapple's hard center, called the heart. Knife-wielding employees work their magic, each peeling 5 to 7 pineapples per minute. The coarse skin dulls the blades quickly, so they have to keep sharpening their knives about every half hour. The peeled pineapples then move on to a slicing machine, which produces slices about 2 centimeters thick. The average pineapple yields about 7 slices. Workers place the slices on large trays, load the trays on large racks, then roll the racks into a gas oven. The slices bake for 24 hours between 64 and 66 degrees Celsius. This dries them almost completely. When they come out of the oven, their moisture level is 6%, just enough to ensure the slices are chewy. From the oven to packaging. These preservative-free dried pineapple slices stay fresh in the package for 18 months. Now back to the pineapple factory, where the first-class fruits pass under a shower of hot wax. Fans cool and harden the wax into a coating that creates an air barrier. This slows the ripening process, ensuring the pineapples don't over-ripen by the time they arrive at their export destination. Last stop is the packaging and labeling department. Workers box pineapples with and without crowns separately. Those with crowns are for export. The crownless ones go to a canning factory to be sliced, diced, or crushed. From the fields to your table, pineapples are the fruit of many people's labors.
I don't never slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love